Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best in-ground pool slides that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Intex Cool Splash Inflatable Play Center. Intex uses its expertise at making durable budget-priced above-ground swimming pools with this in-ground pool inflatable slide. The slide consists of heavy 20-gauge vinyl construction that's tough enough to endure punctures and up to 176 pounds of rider weight. This is also one of the safer slides on the market thanks to numerous handles and integrated steps that make climbing to the slide's top easier. A wider profile makes it easier to slide down, and Intex uses inflatable aprons at the end of the slide and the base of the ladder to prevent falls and scrapes on the hard concrete. An inflatable bumper keeps the slide in place at the edge of the swimming pool by preventing it from shifting backward. 2 integrated sprayers that work with a standard garden hose keep the slide surface slick. Moving on at number 4, we have Wow Sports Slide N Smile Slide with 2 lanes. The Slide N Smile from World of Water Sports is the perfect option for anyone looking to crank up the fun on their water activities without wasting a ton of money. Plus, you can enjoy this slide poolside, or in open water as well. This rugged inflatable is made from heavy-duty PVC with reinforced seams for added durability. Once inflated, the slide measures 108 inches long by 84 inches wide and 50 inches tall, which is wide enough for 2 riders. At 550 pounds, the weight capacity is generous enough to handle 2 large adults. World of Water Sports also makes several add-ons that zip together with this slide, so you can create your own slip and slide obstacle course in the yard. Of course, the fun doesn't have to stop at the pool, either. At number 3, we have Poolmaster Aqua Launch Swimming Pool Slide. Poolmaster makes a ton of accessories and equipment for backyard swimming pools, including pool vacuum hoses, pool loungers, poolside basketball hoops, and this pool slide that looks like a split-open hot dog. While not as tall as some of the other slides on this list, the Aqua Launch is part slip and slide and part air slide. Easily attached to any standard garden hose, the slide has extra large bumper rails to keep users sliding forward. Built with heavy-duty 14-gauge vinyl, the slide has a ballast to keep the slide stable. That all said, reviewers either love or hate the slide, with a lot of the 1-star reviews noting that the slide was flimsy and the seams came apart after just a few uses. At number 2, we have Interfab Water Pool Slide. The Interfab Water Pool Slide has a more classic design and shape, with swimmers doing a quick drop, slope, and shooting out the lip of the slide. The slide starts at a height of 6 feet, and heavy-duty and corrosion-resistant aluminum is used on the handrails and steps to give swimmers young and old a sense of stability when climbing the slide. The slide is rated for swimmers up to 225 pounds and is available with a right or left curve. Additional customization options include color choices, white, blue, gray or tan, and an additional adapter kit that allows you to hook up a garden hose to add spraying splashes to the side. And finally at number 1, SR Smith Rogue 2 Water Pool Slide. SR Smith makes a range of extraordinarily well-built pool slides, including a full corkscrew slide and a smaller, removable pool slide. The Rogue 2 is your classic pool slide, taller than the Interfab slide, with a 7 feet height and a 9 feet flume, which is extra wide. A garden hose can be easily attached to the side and can deliver up to 30 gallons of water per minute. Conversely, you can attach it to your pool's plumbing with PVC pipe. One thing reviewers note is that the Rogue 2 does not come with the anchors necessary to bolt the water slide to your pool deck. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.